Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Hisense AC remote to factory default. So if you want to remove or reset all your personal configuration on your Hisense standing AC, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset your Hisense air conditioner remote, all you need to do is flip the AC to the back and then locate where the battery is. Press and hold the battery cover to remove it. Once you remove the battery cover, go ahead and then remove the battery. Then the screen should go off instantly, so nothing is going to work again. Now to complete the reset cycle, go ahead and insert the battery again after about 30 seconds. Make sure you insert negative into the spring side and then the positive to the other side. Once you install the battery, go ahead and cover the battery. And then flip again to the screen, then you should see everything went blank. And that is going to clear all your personal configuration on the air conditioner remote. Now to start using it, just go ahead and click on the on and off button. Then once you click on it, you should see some blink at the top left here. Then you can now go ahead, click on mode, fan, or to start using the AC remote to control your Hisense AC. So that is basically how to reset Hisense AC remote to factory default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.